We're going to do a little bit something different today for my cooking video because we have a lot of friends here and we're going to do a spaghetti dinner. So stay tuned. We're going to cook it all together. So over here we got our charcoal going. We're going to get that started. We're going to cook some sausage, meatballs on the grill, and then we're gonna cook some pasta in the school bus over here. And I got some garlic bread, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. This is for our friend who cannot eat regular pasta, so I got some chickpea pasta for her. I have some homestyle meatballs, and I have some regular Jonesville sausages. So here's our sausages and our meatballs going, and the meatballs were frozen. They were just homestyle meatballs. You saw those, and then there's our sausages, and we're gonna put those in with our spaghetti. We're gonna cut those up. Not a plant-based meal tonight. So I'm gonna chop up some garlic and some of this onion to add to our sauce. Got all my red peppers chopped up. I did not take a picture of all my onion and garlic chopped up. Got our onion and garlic and peppers going on in here. Green pepper, red pepper. Yum. Little olive oil, which I don't really use on my channel, but there you go. I just chopped up some tomato and we're gonna put that in. Okay, so here we have the gang. We are going to do a little introduction. We'll start with Caroline over here on the left. Caroline, tell us where you're from.
Well, I'm British, but I've lived in Tennessee for 30 years.
Very nice. And now we have Rhonda.
I've been living in Montana for the last 4 years. Prior to that, I was in Washington State for 30.
And we're all kind of caravanning together. And here is Jack. He's got his gang signs going.
No, I'm from Illinois, and I met all these people out on the road.
Nice.
It's a great life.
Nice. And now we have Benji.
Oh, yes.
So Benji is with Rhonda. And you'll see Sharpie is over here, and he's doing well. And we'll go inside and we'll see Brownie. Stay with us. Here we go. Brownie has taken over my cooking responsibilities, and I'm just fine with that. Say hi, Brownie.
Hello.
You're going to see him more on November 1st. I did a tour of his van, of his schoolie. So, yep, he's cooking our sauce, and he cooked our meatballs and sausage. And now he's making the sauce, and we're going to get going with our pasta pretty soon. But how's it going?
Good. It smells great. We're going to do some garlic bread next. And
okay.
then the noodles, and then we'll be ready.
All right. We're waiting for that. Toasting our bread up now. We got some garlic bread that we're going to have. We are going to feast like kings tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Putting the second loaf on. You can do this in your van. You don't have to have a schoolie. So we got our bread in the foil there, in the foil pan, and now we're cooking our second loaf, and it's gonna be delicious. So we're just gonna take some gallon jugs of water and pour it into this pot here. So we got our pasta going on here. It's boiling up. Here we got some garbanzo bean pasta all ready to go. We got everything ready for our feast now. We have our sauce in here with some meatballs and some peppers, and then over here we've got some veggies that are all grilled up, and then over here we have our pasta. We have our bread over here, and then we have our paleo pasta here. We are ready to eat. That meal was so good, but the best part of that meal was sharing it with new friends. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, comment below if you have any suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.